Oh, I mean, make up with me! Make up with me! Make up with me! Make up with me! Recording?
Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh!
This is what I had to deal with. Eli, what the fuck? Get him, Eli. Get him, Eli. Yeah, fucking shoot Hector in the head. What is happening? We did it? We did it! What the fuck? Wait. Pull!
This video is a good example of what happens when all my friends join me in Airsoft and why that might be a huge mistake. Every time we get together, we only seem to care about having fun, shooting each other in the face, and screaming like maniacs. You'll see what I mean in a minute. In this video, I'm using my new competition hi-capa build from hi-capa Customs, so make sure to check them out for the best selection of pistol and rifle upgrade parts out there. I also need to thank my patrons and channel members, especially these top contributors for funding my ibuprofen supply because they will not sponsor me. Anyway, relax and enjoy the show as we wreak havoc on the field and make everyone else question their sanity, because I know we do.
Oh, yeah, dude, my mags are so cold right now.
Damn.
Hey guys, real quick, before we start this game, just want to make a quick announcement.
Hey.
So, not the end of the day, we don't got that many rules, like we kind of just allow everything. We are kind of a jungle, but please kind of keep shut the fuck up. Please kind of keep the shooting to a minimum. When you guys are playing with each other, it takes one BB to get out. But if you guys do like that type of shit, tonight we have murder night. You guys can shoot.
Bro, hey, I paid for the ad-free version of Airsoft. What the fuck?
Alright, can you get my bands over there?
Don't get us in trouble, Alex.
What? I was giving out free V-Bucks. We need content.
I get content. I don't have to rush for
We
it.
pay this mortgage. I'll cover you. I'll cover you.
I'll show you how right now.
No, thank you.
Let's do a human centipede.
I don't know.
Use the anger! Go! Sorry, guys. Stop freaking around! I swept the whole fucking team and then you killed me!
He said, give me dollar.
No, he's good. Wait,
Is it worth $1?
I got more than $1 on me.
Alright, let's go, boys.
I got way more than $1.
Wait.
Oh, wait, no.
Wait, you got $1 on you?
Wait, what?
No?
He's got money.
No.
He's got money.
Where's the dollar? Where's the dollar,
your
Hector?
pockets.
Show me the dollar.
Where's your pockets?
Show me the dollar.
Where's your pockets?
Where's your wallet? Is it in this pocket? Oh, I found his wallet. I found his wallet.
Run your pocket.
No, really though.
I need that.
I need that for a cup of noodle. I hope you don't get team killed, Frank.
What?
Nothing. Walk like the Terminator. That's not how the Terminator walked. What the fuck? Uh-oh, Ryan, I almost fucked you up. Eli, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm gonna just chill back here and shoot.
I'm gonna jump like that.
I wouldn't.
I'm gonna do mid bro.
I wouldn't do that. Eli, what are you doing? Stop dragging your ass on the floor.
What are you doing?
he got on the ground like this, and he goes,
Oh, let's go.
fuck? Eli, cover us!
Eli, cover!
Alright, I don't want to do it anymore. Yeah. Oh, hell no, I saw that one. Hey, you're poison! You're poison! You're poison! Do it!
Oh shit, that's not fun! That's teammate!
I got the guy here, right?
You shot through the hole! What is that? Oh. Was that you, buddy?
Of course.
That was nice. Oh. I get the dick from up through the hole.
Whoa. He's coming to you, Alex.
Three, two, one.
Yeah, I literally committed suicide up there. Myself.
I was just looking at you. He was talking to you. He's like, no, you're still alive. And I'm like, huh?
Oh, Thomas. Hey, fuck him up.
I hit him.
Oh, who is it?
One-handed. I don't know, just some dude in the back left. Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Marco! I'm tired. Ah! You didn't hit me, but I'll take it. I should be dead. I didn't feel like running. I'm not gonna bet anything, but you won't do it. Got lucky.
I honestly didn't even know either. It's a max too, so they're 100% could have been a baby.
Damn, I don't get Hector?
This doesn't feel right.
Oh, hell yeah.
You got the short midget. How do you feel about that?
Don't talk about Alex like that.
No, I'm talking about me, sir. I'm lying. I'm like 4'7.5", but I just like to round it up to 4'8".
Where's my hopper?
Alright, play paintball, Alex. Show me why paintball's superior. Damn!
Paintball superior.
Is there anyone over there?
I'm looting.
I'm dead. I'm being killed with the head.
Stay one.
Ah, fuck! Ah. Is there someone in here? God damn it! I thought I saw someone in there. Oh! What? What? That one got me. Got me. Yeah, he skinned my elbow or my arm.
No, I'll let you first.
They're going hard already, my
Can I switch after? What the?
Alright guys, can you get my bands right? Can you get my bands over there? My no bands over there? We got like 7 minutes.
Gay! Gay!
No game, no. Me. Go, come on.
Damn! Oh, fuck.
Again, Frank?
Oh, shut up, bro! Oh, you might put it
It's never the front player's fault. I'm on the corner. Oh. Sorry. I couldn't trust you to not go, this sounds like fun.
I literally looked at you, I was like, this.
No.
I was like, this. I was like, this.
And I said,
And then you
if I
still-
don't do this, he's gonna fuck me up.
And then I turned around so I could keep going forward. And then this motherfucker turns and shoots me in the back like I'm some fucking dog. When you think you're safe and he's like, nah.
I'm paranoid.